Hi guys, welcome back to Let's Get It Done. My name is Rowan and today we're going to talk about the Journeyman Electrician pouch with a shoulder strap. Here we have it and let's have a look at it. So here we have the pouch itself. It has a lot of storage, but what caught my eye was the ClipTech system. ClipTech system is a tool pouch with this ClipTech hub. It clicks on and off very easy and very quickly. The hub itself, it goes around most size belts. Let me just show you that again. It just slides over your belt, close it up and just stick it in. Then you can take your pouch, just clicks onto that and it stays there. Take it off, just pressing this lock button. Also has a shoulder strap, so if you overload this, it has a lot of weight, belt digs into your sides, you can use this shoulder strap, carry some of that weight. It really does help a lot, the shoulder strap, but I think this ClipTech system is very impressive. This ClipTech hub also has mounting screws, holes for screws that you can mount it to anything, like I've done with this thing. It's screwed anywhere. Use your tool pouch and you can lock it in its place. One of my friends printed these hubs for me, so I can only use this to screw into certain places, like I've done there, as well as at the back on this one. That makes it for easy storage, and I can clip it on. Have these available for my dedicated belt. Clip it on, clip it off. You don't need a dedicated belt because it fits around most belts. So that is the ClipTech system. It is amazing, strong, durable and easy to work with. Next part, let's talk about the pouch itself. It has a lot of storage. So to start on the side, there is space that I usually put in extra bits I don't usually use but sometimes need. Then I also have this. It has this strap where you can put a hammer, but usually I just put in a pair of safety goggles because I always forget to use them. Then we have adjustable pouches at the front here, so you can adjust the size or even leave it open if you want to put in things that's too long to go all the way through. It's got two of them. There's a belt clip, not a belt clip, a measuring tape clip. Next to that is insulation chain or a tape chain. Put on the insulation tape because it's an electrician's pouch. Then we have a lot of loops on the side where you can put in screwdrivers. Also put some of your pliers only from the one side. I like to do that sometimes for quick access, especially when I'm busy using the tool on and off in a repetition job. Then inside we have three big storages. It's open at the bottom, but it separates three large things, so I like to put in my multimeter in the middle there and other long tools on the sides. Then at the back we have space for a line tester or a pen tester, and also space for a notebook, but I usually just put in a lot of pens in there. The other feature that I really like about this pouch is the kickstand. So this kickstand, so you don't, if I'm busy at a certain space and I don't want to have all of the weight on the side, I can just take it off, put it next to me with the kickstand, and then I can work with it, work out of the pouch from there. So I really think that is a very good feature. So yeah, this is the ToughBuilt Journeyman Electrician's tool pouch with a shoulder strap. So I'm going to put my tools in there quickly. You can see all of this goes, not that, all of that goes into this tool pouch. So let's put it in. So on the side there I will put some bits. I don't have any bits at the moment, it's all in my specialist drill holster. But we'll start with this one. So there's a through pocket. I'll just put on my safety goggles there. Let's go to the back. That is my pen tester, line tester thingy. I'll put it in there, and then I'll just load this pocket with a load, so all my pens and pencils, markers. Then I also have this old Smith & Wesson pocket knife. This one will do all the dirty hard work. I always have a new one, brand new one, in my pocket at all times, but this one will do the graft work. That one I've seen a lot of years, and I think it's very impressive knives. Very inexpensive, very impressive. Then in this big pockets in the middle, I'll start with my digital multimeter clam meter, as well as I put the larger screwdrivers on one side and my utility knife on that side. There's still space there, but I don't want to overload it too much. Then I'll have adjustable wrench, goes to the back. I have a number 1 Phillips, insulated, terminal Phillips, insulated. I need more insulated screwdrivers, but we'll get there. Then I have a needle nose plier that will go in the front. I think so, there. Cable shears, this is my old cable shear. I'll do rough work, or I don't really care much about this one. It does big wire cuts and stuff like that. Then I have my new cable shear. This will do my finer cutting. Then I have my diagonal cutters. Fits perfectly there, and my combination pliers. And I have a Stanley 8-meter measuring tape that goes on there. Then I have a bunch of insulation tape that goes into the tape chain. This is how I usually go and operate if I have to do some small projects. If you are interested in this ToughBuilt pouch or anything else like this specialist drill holster, there's a link in the description below that you can go and click and see if you can find some of them for yourself. It's not very expensive, but it's definitely worth the money that I paid for it. Yeah, so thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please press the like button. Please subscribe if you think you can help this channel to make more videos, as well as see you guys in the next video. Hi Ryan. Hi Ryan. My name is Ruan.